Welcome to Open Pakistan Education Network. Functions and procedures in computer programming. There can be a number of functions in a computer program. Here, the main program calls 3 of the functions. Creation of functions allows them to be reusable, that is, their code can be used again and again. Looking at an example, there is a main program with the name calculate result. There are 2 functions, add and subtract, with 2 parameters each. The main program calls the function called add. The statement is called a function call, which causes the main program to stop running and the add function starts executing, with the parameter values passed as argument. The add function finishes running when the return statement is encountered, in which case, control returns back to the calling statement. Since the add function returns a value, an assignment statement ensures that the returning value is captured and stored. To illustrate, the program is run line by line. As soon as the function call is encountered, the main program stops, and the called function starts executing, with the values 2 and 5. The return statement tells the compiler to return the calculated value to the calling statement, in which case, the control returns back to the main program, and the function call is evaluated to the returned value of 7 and stored in a variable num. The program continues running, line by line. Let's look at another example. Since a function's code does not need to be copied subsequent times, the add function is called again with a different set of values, 31 and 9. Similarly, the function subtract is called with values 11 and 7, and the returned value is stored in num3. In another example, there is one main program and 2 functions. The main program has a call to func1 which does not have a return statement. In the call to func2, the main program passes 3 parameter values, and the returned value is stored in a variable. Before I end this presentation, I just want to point out that the main program is also a function, and since it has no parameters like func1, its declarator statement contains empty parenthesis. Similarly, the first program declarator statement also contains empty parenthesis. To summarize, this session covered some basic terms associated with functions and procedures.